Frustrated with the complex 2290 filing process? Want a user-friendly interface to make your e-filing easy, fast, and smooth? That is exactly what eFiling Wizard. Sign into EZ2290 and select eFiling Wizard. Follow the prompts to begin your filing process. The intuitive interface will guide you through each step, ensuring an error-free, simple, and efficient filing experience. This also ensures you don't miss any important details. Input your business details, vehicle details, and the system will calculate the tax for your vehicles. In addition to this, our advanced AI copilot will provide additional help throughout your e-filing process. Just review the information, make any necessary changes, click Pay and e-file to make your payment and submit the form. Your 2290 form is now successfully submitted using eFiling Wizard. Visit EZ2290 for all your 2290 tax e-filing needs.